Xiaomi Mi Mix 2s has been a part of rumors for a long time. But earlier this week the company confirmed that the handset with a Snapdragon 845 SoC will debut on March 27. And now, it's time for a screenshot that reveals the new Mi Mix variant's bezel-less design, without any notch or space for a front-facing camera sensor. The leaked screenshot also features some of the key specifications of the upcoming smartphone that match with the previous reports. In another piece of news, Xiaomi is said to be developing the Mi 7 with a similar wireless charging technology that was adopted by Apple for the iPhone X, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus. Mi Mix 2 specifications leaked. The alleged Mi Mix 2 screenshot, which has surfaced on Weibo, displays the MIUI About screen, showing the presence of a Snapdragon 845 SoC, a 4400 mAh battery, a 16-megapixel primary camera sensor, a 6.01-inch Full HD+, 1080x2160 pixels, display, and 8 GB of RAM. The screenshot in question also highlights 256 GB of onboard storage on the smartphone that is rumored as the Mi Mix 2s. All these aren't any new specifications and are the ones that were leaked through some other sources in the past. Having said that, the screenshot comes with rounded corners, suggesting a symmetrical display panel of the Mi Mix 2s. This is unlike the lately released render that showed a selfie camera on the top right corner of the device. Notably, the Mi Mix 2 arrived with a similar symmetrical display panel, though it had a front-facing camera sensor on the bottom, which didn't impress some users, and the company even recommended to hold the smartphone in landscape mode to capture selfies. While Apple brought the trend of using a notch for the front camera module, some companies are exploring other opportunities as well. Vivo, for instance, at MWC 2018 showcased its Apex concept phone with an elevating selfie camera that rises and retracts from the top to give space to the ultra-thin display bezels. We need to wait for some more weeks, until the launch date of the Mi Mix 2s, to see how Xiaomi will position the front camera sensor. Meanwhile, we can certainly expect some more rumors and leaks of the device. Alongside the Mi Mix 2s, the Xiaomi Mi 7 is also a part of the rumor mill nowadays. The smartphone was already expected to come with a Snapdragon 845 SoC and is now rumored to support wireless charging with 7.5W power, matching the wireless charging support of the latest iPhone models. China's Kongdiantar reports that Xiaomi has started testing the new support. Xiaomi joined the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, in September last year to start offering Qi standard-based wireless charging technology on its devices. That development is likely to be leveraged to make the Mi 7 a competitive offering against the iPhone X and its siblings. The handset is rumored to use the same Broadcom chip and NXP transmitter that Apple used last year to deliver 7.5W wireless charging. It is expected to be based on the Qi specification version 1.1. The Mi 7 is rumored to feature a 6.01-inch display with 18:9 aspect ratio, 6GB or 8GB RAM options, and dual 16-megapixel rear camera sensors. A Weibo post suggests that the handset could come with an under-display fingerprint sensor, much like the Vivo X20 Plus UD that was launched last month.